You ever open your backpack in the middle of class and it looks like a crime scene? 3 pens, none of them work. A granola bar from September, no charger. Your earbuds are a knot that NASA couldn't solve. Yeah, we're fixing that today. This isn't a throw fairy lights in your bag or carry a $400 iPad advices. This is what you actually need. Stuff that will save you in class, in the library, between periods, and during that 7-minute panic before a test. Let's get into it. Part 1, the backpack itself. Don't ignore this. A cheap bag with weak zippers becomes a disaster eventually. Look for comfortable straps, strong stitching, water resistance, and enough compartments. Not too many compartments though. Some backpacks have so many sections you need Google Maps to find your pencil. Choose practical over trendy. A clean, durable backpack always looks better than an over-designed one falling apart by mid-semester. Part 2, the writing situation. 2 reliable pens, not 10, 2. Here's the math. 1 pen runs out, the second one saves you. 10 pens means you have 9 excuses not to know where any of them are. Get 2 pens that actually write, gel or ballpoint medium tip. Pilot G2 or Zebra Sarasa, done. Stop overthinking it. A mechanical pencil with extra lead inside it. Not a wooden pencil, a mechanical one. You know why? Because you will lose the sharpener. You've always lost the sharpener. A mechanical pencil with extra lead loaded in the back means you're ready indefinitely. Highlighter. Get a pack of it or just a single piece, it's up to you if picking a color. Get pastel yellow, it is the most visible for a reason. Part 3, paper situation. A dedicated notebook per subject or 1 tabbed. If you're writing chemistry notes in your history spiral, you've already lost the semester. 1 notebook per subject or 1 thick tab notebook, either works. The point is, you can find your notes when you need them. Loose leaf paper. Always keep some. Printing assignments, group work, a teacher suddenly saying, take out a sheet of paper. This is a $1 investment that will make you look like you have your life together at least once a week. A compact planner or even a notes app habit. Not optional if you have more than 2 classes. Your brain is not a calendar. Stop using it like one. Deadlines, test dates, project milestones. Write them down the day you get them. Future you will send, present you a thank you note. Part 4, tech and power. School days are long, phone batteries are not. Power bank. A 10,000 mAh power bank is enough to charge your phone twice and still have juice left for your calculator app during finals. Keep the cable that matches your phone already coiled around it in a small zip pouch, non-negotiable. One brain saver item. Every smart backpack has one thing that makes your life easier specifically. This could be flashcards, transparent sticky notes, calculator, timetable printout, planner, or a multicolor pen, 4-in-1. Something small that helps your brain stay organized. Because school is not only about studying, it's also about managing chaos efficiently. A USB drive or access to cloud storage. USB drive for backup, cloud synced as primary. Your laptop dying before you can submit a paper is not an excuse your professor has never heard. It's just one they're exhausted by. Part 5, health and body basics. A refillable water bottle. If you're dehydrated, your brain works slower. That's not motivation talk, that's biology. Carry a marked water bottle, the ones with time markers on the side. Because most students genuinely forget to drink water during school, those little markers actually help you stay hydrated without even thinking about it. A real snack. Not a vending machine detour mid-class, not chips that sound like fireworks in a silent classroom. Something compact, a protein bar, mixed nuts, dried fruit. Hunger kills focus around 2 p.m. like clockwork. Prepare for it. Pain reliever, ibuprofen or acetaminophen. One small travel pack. Headaches happen, group projects cause headaches, exams cause headaches. Lunch caused that one weird headache last Tuesday. Be prepared. A travel pack of tissues. Tiny, lightweight. You will need this at the worst possible moment. Also, if you become the person who offers one to someone who needs it, you'll make a friend. Part 6, Organization Layer. A pencil case or small zip pouch. Everything from sections 1 and 3 lives here, not floating loose in your bag where it will disappear into the abyss. One pouch, everything together, find it in under 5 seconds. A single sturdy folder or accordion file. For papers you receive, not papers you write, syllabi, rubrics, handouts, permission slips, they go here immediately. The number of people who lose a rubric and lose points because of it is genuinely upsetting. Binder clips or paper clips. 3 or 4. Rubber banded together, holds your notes together, clips a stack of handouts. Saves a submittable paper from becoming a wrinkled mess. Underrated, deeply underrated. Part 7, the wildcard stuff that you only realize when it's too late. Mini hygiene kit. Nobody talks about this enough. School days are long. Carry basic hygiene items. Deodorant wipes, hair tie, chewing gum or mint, sanitary products, band-aids, extra mask, hand sanitizer. Not for looking perfect, just for feeling fresh and comfortable. A mini umbrella or packable rain jacket. Only one type of person checks the weather every morning before school, and it's the dry one. A flat, packable umbrella fits in a front pocket. Don't be the one wringing water out of your notes at 8 a.m. Your ID and an emergency $10 to $20. Your student ID. Your transit card if you use public transport. A small amount of emergency cash because not every crisis takes online payment. In a card slot in your bag. Always. Separate from your wallet if you carry one. Part 8. Keep your backpack light. This might be the biggest tip in the entire video. A good backpack is not about carrying more, it's about carrying smarter. Every week, clean your bag, remove trash, old worksheets, broken pens, snack wrappers, mysterious unidentified objects. A lighter bag means less shoulder pain, easier mornings, and less stress finding things. Organization saves time. Time saves energy. Look, the goal of a great backpack isn't to carry everything. It's to carry the right things so you're never the person in class whispering, "Does anyone have a pen?" Go through your bag tonight. Take out the stuff that doesn't belong. Put in what's on this list. You'll feel it by tomorrow morning. If this helped, subscribe. I put out content that's actually useful, not just good looking. Drop in the comments. What's the one thing you always forget? I'll see you in the next one.